The discovery of the Sunstone, a captivating gem known for its radiant appearance and magical associations, traces its roots back to ancient civilizations, particularly the Vikings. It is believed that the Vikings used sunstones as navigational aids during their long voyages across the North Atlantic. The stone was reputed to have the ability to polarize light, making it possible to locate the sun even on overcast or cloudy days. This discovery revolutionized navigation for the seafaring Vikings, allowing them to navigate with remarkable precision, despite the unpredictable weather conditions they often faced. Archaeologists have uncovered evidence that sunstones were carried aboard Viking ships, confirming their role in these extraordinary journeys. Sunstones are primarily made of feldspar, a common mineral that displays a unique optical property known as adulorescence, which causes the stone to shimmer and glisten in sunlight. This shimmering effect, which resembles the sun's rays, is what gave the stone its name and enhanced its mystique. The appearance of sunstones varies depending on the variety, with some displaying golden hues while others might appear red or orange. The properties of the stone, such as its ability to refract light and provide a distinct visual flair, make it not only an important tool in history but also a sought-after gem for collectors and jewelers. Sunstones are mostly found in regions with significant volcanic activity, such as Iceland, Norway, and parts of the United States, where their natural formation is a result of lava flows and the cooling of magma. Maintaining a sunstone requires careful attention due to its relatively soft composition. Despite its eye-catching beauty, the stone is susceptible to scratches and abrasions, which can dull its surface and diminish its dazzling appearance. To preserve its radiance, it is important to store sunstones in a soft cloth pouch or a padded jewelry box when they are not in use. Additionally, keeping the stone away from harsh chemicals, extreme temperatures, and excessive moisture is essential to ensure its longevity. Regular cleaning should be done with a soft cloth and lukewarm soapy water, avoiding abrasive cleaning agents that could damage the surface. For those who wear sunstones as jewelry, regular inspections for any cracks or chips are recommended. If the stone shows any signs of wear, it should be repaired by a professional gemologist to maintain its structural integrity. Also, sunstones, like many gemstones, are sensitive to direct exposure to harsh sunlight for prolonged periods. While they thrive in natural light, excessive heat and UV radiation can cause the stone to lose its vivid color over time. Therefore, it is advisable to wear sunstone jewelry during the day but remove it before prolonged exposure to intense sunlight. Caring for a sunstone also extends to understanding its energetic properties, which many believe can be enhanced by proper cleansing and recharging techniques. Sunstones are often associated with warmth, positivity, and vitality, and practitioners of crystal healing recommend cleansing them with pure water or sunlight to recharge their energies. A simple method involves placing the stone in sunlight for a short period, allowing it to absorb the sun's natural energy and restore its vibrancy. However, it's essential not to leave the stone in the sun for too long, as excessive exposure can have a detrimental effect on its color and overall appearance. By maintaining the sunstone with care, both its physical and metaphysical qualities can continue to shine, preserving its timeless allure for future generations. In modern times, the Sunstone has become more than just a historical artifact. It is a cherished piece of jewelry and a symbol of light, energy, and guidance. Whether set in rings, pendants, or bracelets, the Sunstone is valued for both its aesthetic appeal and its connection to ancient wisdom. By understanding its historical significance, unique properties, and proper care methods, individuals can continue to appreciate the Sunstone's beauty and use it as both a tool for personal empowerment and a treasured piece of history.